I have made this light detector using LDR and transistor. Whenever I put light on LDR, buzzer beeps, and on the removal it stops working. To make this circuit, we need a breadboard, a transistor, buzzer, LDR, 100k ohm resistor, LED, a switch, and a 9-volt DC power supply. This is an NPN transistor which has 4 legs, known as base, collector, and emitter. The very left hand side terminal is emitter. It has to connect to the negative terminal of the battery. This is an LDR, a kind of resistor which resistance depends on the intensity of the light. I am connecting this to the base terminal of the transistor. This is a 100k ohm resistor which is also connected in the base terminal. When we provide a small amount of current into the base, a large current will flow from the emitter towards the collector, where we will connect our buzzer on the collector side. I have adjusted a switch here. Now we will connect this buzzer into the collector side of the transistor. And now we will take a jumper wire to connect the positive terminal of the buzzer and make common with the base. I have taken out a negative terminal and a positive terminal from this circuit where we will provide our 9-volt DC supply. Now test this light detector. This switch is in on condition, even though you will hear nothing, but when I put light on it, you will hear a beep sound. It is because LDR have a property by which at darkness its resistance is higher, but in the light its resistance decreases dramatically.